So this is Unit 6, Lesson 9 of our Pre-Calc 12 class. Unit 6 is called Conics. Lesson 9 is called Graphing Parabolas. What we're going to do in this lesson is learn how to graph a parabola if you're given the equation in a conic form. And so three things you need to know or identify from the equation to be able to sketch this graph. Obviously, with more information, we can do a more accurate sketch, but these three things are the only three things we need for this current assignment. One, can you find the vertex? So HK is the x and y value of the vertex, straight up. Two, do you know if the parabola opens up, down, left, or right? And three, can you identify the focus? If you do those things, that's good enough for this assignment. So the vertex is straight up HK. If we have an x squared like this, then and if p is a positive number, it opens up. If p is a negative number, it opens down. If you have a y squared like this, then a positive p means it opens right, and a negative p means it opens left. So you look at the x squared or y squared, and you look at the p value being positive or negative to tell if it opens up, right, down, or left. Now, if it's an x squared, the focus is going to be a vertical change. Since it opens up or down, it's going to be a vertical change to find the focus from the vertex. So we're going to take our p-value and add it to the k-value of a vertex, and that will be the point that is our new focus. If it's a y squared, we still do plus p, but this time we add p to the h value. Because since our parabola opens left or right, that means our focus is on the same horizontal line as the vertex. So we take that h value and we add p, and that'll give us the x coordinate for the focus. Here's some examples. So the vertex, x is -1, y is -5, so that blue dot is our vertex. Our p-value is 4, so it tells us two things. It tells us, one, that this parabola opens up, and two, that if I go from my vertex and I count 4 up, well, that's going to be where my focus is. And that's all you need to know how to do this assignment. It's wonderful, isn't it? It's like when you have a master ball and you're trying to catch a level 1 Pidgey. It's like super easy. Super easy. Okay, we can't find the directrix too, but we don't really care about that. Okay, so another example, we have an x squared term, so and the p-value is -3. So it opens down, and so our vertex is at 2, -1, so we'll plot the vertex. And then because we have a p-value of -3 and it opens down, we're going to count down 3 units to get to our focus. That's it. Here's an example with y squared. So y squared means it's going to be opening left or right. Because our p-value is a negative, it's going to open left. Our vertex is at 1, 7. So 1, 7 is right here. Since it opens left and our p-value is -1, we're going to go 1 to the left, and that's going to be where the focus is. Another example with y squared. This time we have a positive p-value, so it's going to open right. Our vertex is at +1, -4. So 1, -4 is our vertex. Our p-value is 2, it opens right. So I'm going to go 2 units to the right of our vertex, and that's going to be where the focus is. Alright, so if you know those three things, you can take this equation in conic form and give a good sketch for a parabola. And that's it.